Alright guys, well, we didn't get this piece of shit fucking working again. So, I guess part two, we're thinking that, I guess the pump is broken or something because Alfredo turned the car on with the cooler line off and it's not pumping. So, we're thinking the transmission's all fucked up. So, I guess take everything apart, see what's up, and then hopefully this time or today or tomorrow we can get the shit back up and running. Okay. Well, the tranny's out. We kind of made a bit of a mess, but oh well. So I think he's gonna go get this shit either rebuilt or figured out, and then I'll probably come back in a couple days and we'll throw it in or something, and then hopefully finally Alfredo will do a burnout. Alright guys, tranny is loaded into the back of my truck. I'm gonna go drop it off at a tranny shop, and then hopefully they can fix it in a couple days, and we'll get his Nova up and running. Alright, it's day 3 of this fucking thing. So hopefully this shit finally starts and I will start some moves. So yeah.
Will's gonna cry.
Yeah, I'm never fucking coming back. So yeah, we'll probably come back to you like halfway and then hopefully when the shit's moving. Hey guys, tranny's in. Converter bolts are all bolted up and everything, so right now he's just tightening up a tranny line or transcooler line. So cross number, starter, drive shaft, exhaust, and hopefully we're actually moving this time.
All for the third
time. So yeah, wish us luck.
So almost done, bolting everything back up.
Fuck!
I don't know what this guy's doing
Oh
over here.
my god, I'm so pissed.
Working in chanclas.
Alright. Drive shaft's going in, and then starter, exhaust, transmission fluid, and then burnout time. So I'll probably come back after all that stuff's been done and we're doing burnouts. Alright guys, it's all done. Let's see if this shit moves.
Moment of truth. Actually, where are the keys? I left them inside.
Yeah. Guys, let's see.
I'm scared. Round 2 or what?
Yeah. Wait, leave it on for a second, let it time to like recirculate.
I know, I'm gonna sit it through all the gears.
Yes! Go! Wait, move it again. No!
Fuck,
yes!
I don't know why it's cutting off though.
What do you mean? It's
Cutting off, huh?
I was holding the gas the whole time.
No, they put it down, but he said, but it's cutting off.
Alright, then more fluid?
I don't know.
You said it's
No.
grabbing though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. See?
You don't have the exhaust on?
Yeah, I do.
Alright guys, well it fucking moves, but now it doesn't want to stay on, so give us a second and hopefully he's doing burnouts.
Fuck yeah, son.
Where's your truck at?
In the front.
Where you going? Are you gonna close the gate?
Close the gate.
on, it's working. So we're gonna go jump his other truck because none of his shit works, and then we're gonna hopefully do a burnout later on. Guys, so that's the end of the installing the Nova, or getting the transmission on the Nova to work, and finally got a burnout out of Alfredo. So yeah, basically me and him have like a grudge race or something like that coming up soon. So I think hopefully I get a couple GoPros, and I think Alfredo's gonna try and install a posse on his Nova, and we're gonna get it on soon. So look forward to that. Hope you enjoyed the video.